Welcome back for another transmission. Here is Antonio. What's going on?
Not much, about to have some roast pork.
Dinner? I've been keeping you waiting, guys. Like, no good, eh? Roast pork, that's the juice. It looks like, what is that, pasta? Roast pork here. And we got cabbage. Cabbage, 250 for a whole cabbage. Delicious. Yesterday, when you see me, I was in bed 8 p.m. I had crazy stomach cramps until I fell asleep. It was so bad. So my mum told me today to boil the cabbage before I roast it. So fingers crossed, no more bloody cabbage farts, whatever it is, gas. So I'm in turmoil. Yesterday I was spiraling, but now today I'm in full turmoil. Why, you might ask? I don't even know. It just seems like as each day goes on, like something else happens. So I had my meeting. If you followed yesterday's video, I had my meeting and it was like something bigger than like a home run. It was like an absolute, like, I was gonna say shit fest, but that's bad. But like a shit fest in the best way possible. It was like a nuke. But goddamn, unfortunately, we're come to like a situation where it's not like I have to decide if I want to move or not. Like, I am moving, we are moving, but what this was going to be like a partnership. I think they want to do something like extremely long term, which is good for me. But since I'm moving, it makes it that much more difficult. And so, yeah, who I was talking to, I'm not going to tell you, but the vibes were high. The vibes were like through the roof. So cool. We get along so well. I've used the product before. It's such a cool product. And I don't know. It just seems like the scope, what they want, the product, what I do or what I've done in the past, it all like meshes in like crazy. It does this, oh, and then a halo appears. Was this like, and there's a halo, and it's like, oh my god, and I'm getting evaporated. I mean, not evaporated, like a alien. Was it they suck you up into space? But I'm going to heaven instead. That's what I felt like. But then now I'm moving. Now a spanner's getting thrown into the works. But that's okay. I don't know. I think naturally this is just like my life, what I'm about. And it's like every step I take, it's like there's just like a chaos graveyard behind me. And you see that all that back there? That's all chaos. So that's how it feels. But now I'm hungry. It's like 6:45. And we're supposed to eat, but I put out the camera to make a vlog. How hungry are you?
I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
You're hungry. You hungry? I'm starving, eh? So we got roast pork tonight. I done a pork leg on special at the shop, $8.99. And so pork leg has such a bad rep for being dry. This is not dry, guys. This is so delicious. If you want the recipe, let me know, because Antonia really liked it so much. She's like, we should get another one. Tell you what, I don't hate that idea. I love it. And so today is Wednesday here in New Zealand. How many more Wednesdays do I have? I'm not sure. But you want to see the ocean? Sure. That's what we see at the moment. There's some guy fishing out here for ages. And just like posting YouTube videos, fishing's the same. If you catch no fish, you're still going to have a real good time. And then so pretty much when I was like, oh yeah, I'm moving, blah, blah, blah. And then it felt like all the air in the room evaporated, like we were in space. and it just got like real heavy. Like we were like real slumped. Because then they're like, oh, that will affect the scope of our working relationship. And then they were real upset about it. They were like, oh, okay. But then it's like, yeah, no. We'll see what happens, you know? Because I do have different hats that I could put on. I can put on my magician hat, spawn flowers out of my butthole. I can put on like, was it my slave collar? Work like 16 hours straight, no breaks. What else is there? Magician? I should have said like a wizard hat. What else? I can put on my glasses when I go corporate and do this. Huh. And what else? I don't know. But I'm hungry. We're sitting at 6 minutes, so I've got another 2.5 minutes before I get monetized. Yeah, Antonio doesn't want to get filmed. She don't want to be on the news today. Don't put me on the news. I seen when I was walking in the gym, I was looking at Breakfast TV, which is a New Zealand, what was it, like a talk show? And there was one guy, so one of the ministers of parliament was doing an interview by Wellington train station. And the guy heckling him, he got investigated or something just for heckling. And it's like, bro, that's crazy. Like, you can't talk shit in public anymore without getting a detective case on you. Ridiculous. But yeah, honestly, thank you for the person that commented that I'm depressed. I can guarantee I'm not depressed, okay? Like, I'm fully not depressed. I'm totally mentally sane. If you just go through all the different vlogs that I uploaded within the last 3-4 days, you can see clearly I'm having the time of my life. But that's not to tell you off anything. I really appreciate every single person commenting, liking, even viewing. However you want to support, I appreciate it. And man, what else? I don't want to spill. I don't want to spill any more goss or secrets. Because I know every one of you guys are watching me out here. I just want to keep it chill. I had pumpkin soup. Oh, we need to get another pumpkin. We need to get another pumpkin because pumpkin soup is so tasty. It's so delicious, eh? You're writing it down? And we've seen, I had a look at the specials this week at the supermarket. And I think it's just ridiculous. It's just a bit of a piss take. You got sausages on special. Pork leg is good though. But I mean, that ain't halal. And then what else? Do you remember? Nothing. Barely. Kiwi fruit. Oh yeah, let's have kiwi fruit stew for dinner tonight. Lemon. Oh yeah. Come on, got a bowl of lemons here. But these are, nothing else. We're hitting 8.5 minutes now, so I'm going to leave you right there. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share. Please, share. Helps me out a ton. I'll catch you again. Maybe tomorrow, maybe in a few days.